What's up, everybody? In today's video, I'm going to be trying for the first time the Olaplex #0. And so I think this was like promotional when it first came out. It comes in this box and you get the new Olaplex #0 intensive bond building hair treatment. Anyway, I'll have this in the description. And then it also comes with a sample size of the Olaplex #3, which is not going to be even close to enough to do my whole head. So thankfully, I still have some Olaplex #3 left because I have used this before and I actually got really good results. And then also when I ordered this from Sephora, they gave me another sample of the Olaplex #3 as well. So with this all put together, I should have enough. They say you can get multiple uses out of this. I've read some reviews and I hear some people say this was only enough for one time. Some people say they got 5 uses out of it, whatever. It's like liquid. And so what this does is intensive bond building hair treatment. My hair is damaged, it's extremely damaged, mostly being from dye. I've also recently straightened my hair. And so I want to see if the curls are going to come back. And so that's why I'm testing this out, and just to repair my hair basically. And so I don't want to waste any more time, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, so the instructions say to apply to dry hair, and you saturate your hair from root to tip. You leave on the hair for 10 minutes and do not rinse. 10 minutes is actually the minimum. If you read further up, like on their website, you can leave it on more than 10 minutes. It's just that's the minimum amount of time. Also, the complaint that I saw the most was that it only squirts out a very little bit out of that nozzle. I mean, it's like a real little bit, so it kind of like takes forever to apply it. But they said they did that so you don't overuse the product and don't end up using too much. It wasn't that big of a deal to me. They also recommend combing or brushing the product through your hair to make sure it's distributed evenly. And also, a lot of people were trying to say just use it a spray bottle, just add it to a spray bottle. Well, Olaplex actually chimed in on Instagram and they said do not put it in a spray bottle, because whatever chemicals is in #0, they said it wasn't meant to be airborne. And I also read someone say once they put it in a spray bottle, they started coughing. So I do not recommend doing that. It's not that big of a deal. Just use the little nozzle that they provided. Going back in time, I probably should have used more, but I would have ended up using the whole bottle. Okay, so I put a plastic cap on my head and I let it sit probably for about 20 minutes. So my hair is definitely damp, and that's how you want your hair to be when you apply #3. #3, there's not much to it. You basically just kind of apply it to your hair as if it's conditioner, but it's not conditioner. You have to keep that in mind. After this treatment, #0 and #3, you have to shampoo and condition your hair. The minimum that you leave #3 on your hair is also 10 minutes, but I highly recommend leaving it on way longer than that. I'd say actually a minimum of an hour, and I usually leave it on even more than that. Okay, so it's the next day. My plan was originally to shampoo my hair last night, but I ended up falling asleep and I didn't feel like doing it that late. So I ended up sleeping with the Olaplex on my hair. They do say for the #0 to not sleep with it, but the reason that they give not sleep with it on your hair, but the reason that they give is so that it doesn't get in your eyes. But I had a bag over my head and it wasn't dripping or anything, so I didn't get any in my eyes. So I don't think that really mattered. But anyway, so this morning I shampooed my hair and I conditioned it for about 10 minutes with just a bag on. I didn't even sit under the dryer. And so here are the results of my hair. As you see, my hair looks definitely back to normal after straightening it. And my hair just feels like really strong, like almost like I did a protein treatment, but not really. And just, I want to reiterate again, if I didn't say it already, Olaplex is not a protein treatment. It builds the bonds of your hair. It's not the same thing. I could turn around and do a protein treatment next week and it wouldn't make a difference because the two products are not doing the same thing. So but my hair feels really strong, and definitely my curls are back. Now you can see those are those loose pieces that I always have, so that's not heat damage. That was always there. But here, like if we take a look at this piece right here, you can see that my curls did come back. There's no straight pieces or anything like that, so I'm happy about that. And my hair just feels really strong from using the Olaplex. Now I will say, oh, and also I want to say that my hair, like when I had straightened it, I didn't do anything else with my hair, and it was really dry, to be honest, and it looked just really, if you guys saw that video, it just looked dry and dusty and everything. When I was detangling my hair with the conditioner, like probably like 3 strands of my hair came out with it being that dry. So I would say this definitely did something. The number 0, I used about half a bottle, so I can probably get one more use out of this. Honestly, to me, just to be completely honest, unless your hair is like really super badly damaged, or you did like an extreme bleach process or something on your hair, that's the only way I would say that you need this. I have used this, the Olaplex number 3. Sorry if you guys can't see it. The information will be in the description. I've used this before and it really helped my hair, and I wish I had just continued to use it, but I just stopped, and it's kind of expensive. But to me, if your hair is just kind of semi-damaged like my hair is, I think the number 3 is enough. I really don't think you need the number 0, but I only think you need the number 0 if your hair is like severely damaged, like it's just like bailing out, hair on the pillow, hair on the floor, just gobs and gobs is coming out when you comb it and everything. My hair hasn't, or also if your hair is like straight and has no curl definition at all, from heat damage or from dye, I would recommend using the number 0. But other than that, if you just kind of have damaged hair like me, I would say number 3 is enough. And also I would say when I just use number 3 alone, my hair felt stronger, but it also felt more moisturized. My hair doesn't feel that moisturized as it does when I usually just use number 3. So for me, like I said, I don't want to waste my money, so I'm going to use this one more time. And it's definitely not going to hurt my hair, but as far as continuing to use Olaplex, I'll only be using number 3 unless I decide to try their conditioner or something like that. So that's my review. If you have any questions about Olaplex, you can ask me, and if I know, I'll answer. But you can also just go to their website or go to like the Sephora website. Also, if you want to kind of read the reviews, there's some reviews on YouTube, but most of them were like white people, as far as I saw, and so our hair is different, so they can't do a review on a product for me, as far as I'm concerned, because our hair is just too different. But there's some reviews on Sephora too if you want to read that or whatever, but I say just take my word for it. If your hair is badly damaged, I say use the number 0. But if your hair is just kind of damaged, or you want to use this like as maintenance and you're going to continue to use it, I would say number 3 is fine. So if you like this video, thumbs up. If you use Olaplex number 0 or number 3, I want to hear what your experience was. And also if you had heat damage or anything and you were able to make your curls come back, let me know about that as well. If you're not already a subscriber to my channel, you need to just go on and click on the subscribe button and also the notification button so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And I will see you in the next one.